Hey, Mike here. Today I am showing you the Gen Zettelkasten script. Now let me show you how this works. I'm going to open up a new note here. I'm just going to call it test note for now. And as long as this script is in your text generator / prompts directory, or of course, whatever you have set in your settings here, if you go into your text generator settings and you look at the advanced settings, it should be the prompts templates path. This is the default, but of course you can set this to whatever you'd like. Now that's not the only setting you need to make sure that is enabled. First of all, you're going to search for the modal setting and make sure that modal suggest is enabled. And then the second setting is script. So you have to allow scripts, make sure that's enabled. As long as all of that is in order, let's go back to the random note here. And right off the bat, we can start with / Zettelkasten, or whatever kind of word you want to do, Gen Zettel or Kasten maybe, whatever is the easiest for you to type out. Friendly reminder that the search functionality for all of these prompt templates is fuzzy search. So you can type literally any part of the script in terms of the name of it, the description, any keywords, and it will pop up accordingly. So now all that's left to do is clicking it and generate. It generates it, and you should now have a Zettelkasten directory with the appropriate default or whatever you've set directory structure. Now, a neat thing is you can create multiple Zettelkasten directories. Let's create another one here, and boom, now you have Zettelkasten 2. You may be asking, why would I want multiple Zettelkasten? Well, if you want to keep different, for example, classes separate, you can name this one, for example, biology Zettelkasten. And this one you can name algebra Zettelkasten. Of course, this is just a crude example of what you can do, but it's a simple way to keep everything well organized. Like I said, if you don't touch the script whatsoever, this is the default result that you're going to have. You're going to have an inbox, literature notes, permanent notes, project notes, reference, and an archive. Of course, within the script, you can change that right in this little portion here, this function create Zettelkasten structure. You can, of course, not only change the names of the directories that are created, but you can also change how many of these directories are created, or if you want to add any new directories. To make it even easier for you, I added these user options here so that you can specify whether you want to include these default Zettelkasten structures. And of course, if you want to add any custom directories by just adding them like so. And as usual, you can find this template either on the systemscope.com website, or if you are a Patreon member, you will have access to it right off the bat. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.